Just go with again. Where we want to just work with that interactive match fill tool. Okay, so we just press here, that is the star,
Yes,
and you
sir.
just take any shape from here. Either you can just go with the polygon or the star. Just draw the star like structure like that. And after drawing this structure, if you want to just fill the color with that, so here we have the option by which you can just distribute this star into multiple sub parts. So here we have the match fill tool. Just click on this. Just see there is lots of nodes available there. If you don't want, just double click here, it will remove from this section like that. Just double click, it will remove. Okay, and here we have a 1:1 ratio. You can just increase the ratio like that, you will get the different angles with that. Okay, so firstly just
Yes,
place your
sir.
cursor here and just drag and drop down on the particular section like that, and you will get the multiple colors object like that. So here we have two colors star, and if you want to just move the little bit here, just hold a node and just move like that. So it extend from one section to another, or you can just adjust the point for the color for your object. And if you want to just fill the white color in the middle section, just click here, you will get these types of colors. Okay, and again click on
Yes, sir.
third, and you will get another shape. So these types of objects you can just form by using this option. Understood? So this is the option by which you can just
So,
make these types of format. And if you want to just design a particular certificate, so firstly just move this particular soft page into landscape, convert that particular page into landscape. So here we have the two tools, that is the for portrait and it is a landscape. Just click on landscape, it becomes landscape. And you can also set the page size here. There's the option that is the A4 size. Just click on this, the size will change, and click on this, it becomes landscape, right? And after doing that, if you want to just work with that,
yes, sir.
you just make the rectangle around that. Firstly, just place your cursor here and just make the rectangle here and just draw like that structure. After drawing this structure, again just fill this color and press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to copy the same content, and just decrease a little bit size of that. Just click on here and decrease the size of this particular section from here like that.
Yes, sir.
And give some color for that. Just see there, here we just giving some color, just a little bit move right or left. Just click on this color, and here we have the option match fill tool. Just click on match fill tool, and here we have the object. Just little bit select and drag down like this. You will get a multiple shape structure like that. We can also mold and fold a particular shape by holding the nodes. By holding the nodes, just select it and just little bit downward. So you will get the corner perfectly with that, and you just give the color for that. Just choose any color and just drop down. Here we have the long list of the colors, so just click
Yes, sir.
and choose any color for that, right? So here we choose this color, just select it and drag down on that particular portion. You will get this light color over there, right? And you can just take the green color
Yes, sir.
over there, just click on this and you will get the color like that. Understood? So we can modify
sir.
the shape here by using what option? By using the match fill tool. Shortcut is hand, right?
Match fill tool.
Take down like that. You can just make the different shape. And if you want to a little bit down like that, you can go with that and just make the different creation like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. After that, if you want to fill the particular background with the different colors or different objects, just click on here where we have the interactive fill tool. By this tool, we can just fill the particular object with the multiple variations. So see there, here we have a lots of variation in this section. The see there. That is a uniform, linear,
Yes, sir.
square, two color pattern, three color pattern. So here we start with the texture. Here we start with the texture. Just click on texture and just see there are lots of texture samples available in this section. You can use any texture for that. Just click on this, you will get this type of the structure. If you don't like that, just go with that. So we have lots of variation for the filling of particular object like that. Clear? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
with that, if you want to just apply with that, you are unable to that because we use here mesh fill. So we can't do with that. Okay. So just keep in mind, whenever we just use this particular mesh fill, we enable to fill this particular object with the interactive fill. We have a take the separate structure, and then we can go with the interactive tool. And here we have the next tool, that is the bitmap pattern. So after using that, you can go with the another sample. So here we have the sample.
Yes, sir.
And after doing that, just move on the next tool, that is the PostScript fill. Just click on this. Here we have the lots of shapes also available. Just see there. Here we have a different designs like this structure coming with that, right? So you can also use these types of pattern for the filling of your object to make your object attractive, right? Understood? And next one, here we have,
Yes, sir.
and this here the huge list of the object. You can go with anyone with that. Okay, but we are unable to analyze these objects fastly. We, after applying this, we can just observe here. Why we use this option? Just go with the alternative of that. Just place your cursor in the next tool. Don't go with that interactive fill. We have to just go where? Here. So here we have also find the same option. Just go with the PostScript option. But in this section here, we have the another part of that, that is a preview of the fill option. So before filling the object, you just take the look of that object here, which types of it looks after applying this. So here we have lots of PostScript pattern. You can take any pattern for that. Understood? Just like this, you click on OK, you will get this types of structures. See there, delete it, and you will get this types of.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to just make the greeting card, you can go with that color. Clear? So just don't use this interactive fill tool. Just directly take the option by from this to get the take the preview additional part of that. Understood? And here with the next option, that is the texture.
Yes, sir.
So here we have the texture. Just choose any texture from this section, and we just take the preview from there. And if you want to just change the color of this particular pattern or texture, here we have the tools with the different colors. You can choose any color for your need according to your choices, according to your creativity. And after that, just take the preview. You will get this type of structure and click on OK. You will get the color in
Yes, sir.
section like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At this option, we can just make our object more attractive than the simple color. And next one, that is the tag. After texture, just click on pattern fill. Here we have also the same tool. There are different patterns available here to fill this particular object. Choose any pattern for that and click on OK. You will get
Yes, sir.
like that structure, right? So here we have the different patterns. Just go with that and choose the pattern any from here, right? So here we have the simple full color pattern. You can just try it, or if you don't like that, just go with the bitmap.
Yes, sir.
Have the bitmap pattern. Just see here. Here's just like a bamboo like structure, bamboo trees like structure, or any color of any like that. Just see there. Here's just like a bamboo tree structure, and you don't want that, just go with the next pattern and just choose the tree trunks like structure like this and click on OK. Just like a tree trunk structure. This is observable.
Yes, sir.
This is the tree trunks like structure, and just go with that. And next one, just move on this. And here we can also set the dimension of that particular angle like that. You can just change the angle for that and click on OK. The angle will a little bit change of this particular pattern, not the tree, only for the pattern, right? Just go with that. And if we don't want these types of the structure, see there, here we have also some.
Yes, sir.
You can also go with that. Just move on the next and just click on fill. And here we have the next, that is the tool, that is a two color pattern. So just go with that pattern. You can just make the brick like structure, and you can also set the color of the bricks, that is red, and here we choose the white color between that and click on OK. You will get the brick like structure like that. Understood? So these are the different patterns which make our object more attractive and more appealing for the customer or for the design, right? So you can take any pattern from this. That is the two color pattern, and it is the customized color pattern. So that is very important for you, because here we can select the particular color for the particular pattern. And another thing is that we can also change the angle from there. If you want to just take this like this, here we just take the structure from here, this brick. And if you want to change the angle of that, just here we have done, that is rotation option. Just give some angle with that and click on OK. You see the angle will change as well here. Clear? And next one, that is the next tool, that is the fountain fill. You know very well what is the meaning of fountain fill. As you learn in the gradient fill of the MS Word, is the same as it is you have learned in the PowerPoint MS Word, okay, in simple software. So here we have the set of two colors. You can
Yes,
select
sir.
colors from this section and click on OK. You will get the color like that. That is the different shades. That is the yellow with red. And next one, again, click on this option. If you don't like this type of pattern, so here we have the next option. There are more huge number of sets for that color pattern. You can go with that. Just see that there is a cylindrical effect. So just try one by one, just like a PowerPoint presentation. Different animation available there. So here we have the same different multiple variations. You can choose any variations for your object and click on this. You will get that type of variations, right? Clear? So just firstly move here your cursor and just use these types of pattern.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to change the color of the pattern, just place your cursor here, and just after placing your cursors, you can just move on color. The color will change. If you want to change the white color, just select it and click on the another part. It will be, it becomes, you just click on yellow, it becomes yellow, and click on OK. You will get this types of pattern. Clear? And here's the last tool, that is a uniform. Uniform fill tool help us to make the simple color. Its shortcut key Shift plus F11, right? So here we have a simple mixture, texture palettes and models available here. You just drag here, you can just get the different variations in this particular block and choose any color for the your choice or your selection or your modification. And here we have the palettes. Just click on this and just drag the your scroller, and you will get a different pattern or different palettes for the color. You can select any shade for from there and click on OK. You will get the shade like that, right? So here we have the multiple colors here, huge number of colors by which we can just make our object more appealing. Understood? That is a pentagon. If you
Yes,
don't know
sir.
pentagon, here we have the triangular format, it is a different format. So here we will get the particular different shades, and we can just take any shades from this section. And here's the model option. Just click on model, you will get the particular color by dragging it, and just select the particular section of this particular pattern and click on OK. You will get this pattern. Understood?
Yes, sir.
By all this option, if you don't want to this types of pattern, click on no fill. It means it will remove this particular section like that. Okay. And another part, if you want to just open this palette on the particular screen, just click on this color. You will get the colored pattern over there, and you can just do any process from this section. Just select any set of color and you can just drag it, right, and click on fill. So here we have the fill option.
Yes, sir.
Just fill the outline. So firstly, we have to just increase the thickness of this particular object. And here's the outline. Firstly, just click on outline and choose any color for that. For example, if you want to just yellow color for the outline, just choose here and click on outline. You will get the outline like this. So this help us to make the or to fill the color, either outline or the object fill, right? If you don't want to just
Yes, sir.
separately fill the outline or fill, just click on lock. So it will work both for that. Okay, you just lock it. The always color will fix with the outline or the filling object, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So after this, you can just try all the option